Hello everybody, welcome to the technical analysis video for the 14th of March 2022. It's early in the morning in the US, and before we get into it, the contents of this video, as you should be aware, do not constitute financial nor investment advice. The analysis presented is for educational purposes only, and Aggregated Finance is not liable for any losses incurred as a result of this video. Any trading that you do is done entirely at your own risk. Okay, so looking at the daily spot chart of Ethereum, we've got an interesting formation here. The 50 moving average has just started in the last few days to slightly turn upwards. Let's take a look at Bitcoin and see if we can find anything there. Exactly the same thing. Now, although we are bearish, as I've said on the weekly charts, and if you've seen the recent videos, I'm slightly changing my opinion now. It could be that we suddenly make a move higher. The fact that price is struggling to go low, we've held this low from the 24th of Feb, and we're congregating around here. The 50 MA is turning higher. What I really want to see is a sustained move above the 50 MA. I'd like to see us go sideways for a bit and then move higher. So again, something to be aware of. Although this is bearish on the weekly, again, we could still move up to this area here and still be bearish on the medium term time frame, but obviously if we do move higher, that will be bullish on the shorter term time frame. Let's take a look at Ethereum, weekly chart of Ethereum. A similar thing, so we could move higher in the short term but still be medium term bearish. Now what I really would want to see is us, as I say, moving above the 50 MA. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. I'd like to see us move above the 50 MA, and we've got some work to do because these pivot highs are natural areas of resistance. So if we move above the 50 MA, congregate here, we could go higher. What I'm seeing is the fact that we've struggled to go lower on the short-term time frame. You know, we've not broken these lows or anything like that. We could get a move, and you should be aware there's a rule in the markets: the biggest moves come from failed moves. So although I've been bearish of late, I am slightly changing my stance now, and it could be that we get a good move, a good push higher. We have some work to do to break through these pivot highs, but we could have a chance of getting up to the 200 MA. So as I've always said, you've got to take it one day at a time. We can take a view on things, but you have to be nimble, especially in these kind of markets. All right, I wish everybody a successful trading week, and I'll catch up with you at some point midweek.